Wow! Hey guys, Cubey here, and so today we're gonna be unboxing the new X-Men Designs Tornado V3, the latest flagship 3x3 from Qiyi. So this is the Pioneer Edition. This has magnetic adjustment system, a dual adjustment system for the core, a magnetic core, and also maglev. So it's jam-packed with features, and I'm very excited to open it up. So in this video, I'll just be giving my first impressions, and here it is. So here we have the cube itself with this amazing box. Isn't that pretty neat? And we also have this damn big accessories box. And so inside, first of all, there's this card, pretty neat. So this is the setting. So I think this is for like the adjusting everything. They just have a neat little. That's pretty cool. It's really compact. Next we have, I think this is a polishing cloth for the cube, and yeah, we just have the paperwork, like how the settings are gonna work. Hope you can read Chinese. Okay, I'm stop copying. So here, there's obviously a lot of customizations here, and I'm pretty excited to try everything out. And then we have this pretty cool bag for the cube with the logo, and yeah, it has a really nice texture, and I'm absolutely in love with this. My favorite cube bag. And finally, some more papers. So this is just a cube solving manual. I'm pretty sure I don't need it. Do I? And now let's get into the interesting one, the cube itself. So opening it up, first and here it goes. Okay, right off the bat, it's like super fast. I think I'm overshooting a bit, but yeah. So let's see how hard I can flick. So was that a U3? Yeah, I think so. And next we'll also just try the corner cutting first. 45, easy, reverse. Yeah, I can't complain. It's a bit tricky, but it's pretty good. Overall, the color scheme, yeah, it's pretty good. So now we'll get into the interesting stuff. First, we'll look inside the cube. Okay, so the interesting thing that I noticed here is that this guy actually doesn't have like a plastic shell for the sides. It's like you can see all the mechanism inside. Opening it up, so here we have the two systems here. So one is the replacement of a screw here, that's the center, and then we have a spring compression. So what we're gonna have to do is open this hatch. We're just gonna have to take that like that, and I believe so if we turn this clockwise, that's the spring depth, like the tension, and if we turn it anti-clockwise, that's for the screw. So I'm not gonna experiment with it yet. I have to like learn more about this, but for just quick demonstration, this is anti-clockwise. So now the 3 became a 4, and if I turn it clockwise now, the whole thing's gonna rotate. And how we're gonna find out that which setting is on is there's a small gap, right? So the one that's directly to it is, so it's 3 now. So if I turn it clockwise, then it becomes 2. So now it has changed. So it's just like that, pretty simple. So as you can see, this is the corner to core magnets over here, and in the core we have it right about there, yeah. And we also have adjustable magnets here, on the edge here. So we can adjust the strength. So here it goes from like negative, meaning it's with the low strength, to positive, meaning the higher strength, and right about now it's in the middle, which is medium. Okay, so they have lubed it pretty well, and now my hands are all lubey. Okay, so this guy is a maglev cube, meaning that there's actually no springs, it's just two repelling magnets placed on each other, therefore it has no friction inside the spring, so it gives better performance. And now we'll just do a quick solve. As I mentioned before, I'm overshooting a lot, so I'll just try my best to do good solve. So we'll scramble a bit more, and yeah, that looks good. I should like probably play around with the settings and get it to match what I prefer. I mean, this guy has a lot of customizable options. There's like 25 combinations for the centers alone, and then we also have the magnet strength. Overall, it's a really great cube and I love it so much. But anyways, that's the end of this unboxing. Hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. And thank you guys so much for 400 subscribers. I'm absolutely flabbergasted now.